Well, hello, Not Nerd fans. You may remember a while back I got and was excited to get the KM28 FM transmitter from Nulaxy. I made a review video of it, used it for a long time, but sadly, I tried to charge my iPad mini in the USB thumb drive slot, and it seemed to kill it. It's died a slow death over a few days, and now it's completely dead. So I wanted to get something to replace it. So I'm excited to show you the all-new KM28 FM transmitter from Nulaxy. Let's go outside and take a look and see how it works. So this is the old one, and this is how it worked in my car. You plug it in this port here, and then you put the charging cable, and I upgraded and I got myself a wireless or inductive charging mat for my iPhone. But this was fine. It was great. But I was looking for something a little different, so I thought I would try the one with the gooseneck, and this is how it works in my car. Now, some people have the console that they can put their cigarette lighter in. Mine is on the dash here. So you kind of have to, your results may vary. You've got the gear shifter here, you've got the keys here. And so I think probably the optimum setup for me is to turn it this way and then do this little guy. So it's free and clear. Now what I like about this one is it's got the QC 3.0 fast charging port. I don't know if it's going to fast charge this thing or not. I think it depends on the type of phone you have and whatever you have set up. I have the iPhone 10. I'm not sure it supports that fast charging. But then it's got also the standard 2.4 amp output. So you've got two that you can use if I want to charge my iPad mini, not like this guy. And then on the side, it's got the USB port for putting your music on a thumb drive. It's got the TF card slot, or the mini SD card is what I call it. You can put music on there. And then of course it still retains that auxiliary port, and the device itself came with an auxiliary cable if you want to hook it to your phone that way. So let's fire this puppy up and see how it works. Okay, when you first turn on the Nulaxy KM28 or KM28, it comes up with this color display. Yes, folks, a color display on an FM transmitter. It's maybe a little unnecessary, but I'm using my old phone here to connect. It'll show up in the Bluetooth as a KM28, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it should connect here. And it did. So now my office iPhone and my FM transmitter are now connected, and once I play audio, it should go through this FM transmitter over my radio. It's sharing the same channel, 88.1 here and 88.1, and it should work. So let's toggle over to something exciting here, like the Not Nerd podcast, and see how it sounds.
Flying, fragmentation and fraud.
So I'm going to start that over again.
Podcast, episode 141.
Turn it up a little bit.
Fragmentation and fraud.
Welcome to the Not Nerd Podcast. I am Nate Heath, and we are here to help you tech better. We've got a bunch.
All right, so you can see it works great. It's got this little faux UV meter, little equalizer thing popping up and down here. It doesn't work for real. It's this fake thing, and then it bounces up and down when the music's playing. Overall, I really like this. It wasn't necessary for me to get one with the gooseneck, but the way the KM19 was configured with the ports on the left side, it was interfering with my gear shift and my keys and everything. And so I kind of like that I'm able to just put the USB right into the end. I like that it's got the 2-port option for charging multiple devices. The color screen I could take or leave. It is a little bit bright at night. I wish there was a way to kind of turn down that brightness. It doesn't seem to be. Just a few things that I'm not sure if the old model had or not, but if you press both of the front and back buttons, it will shut it off. And let's turn that back on.
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, you hear the nice
Bluetooth connected.
a nice lady telling you when it's connected and what mode it is, which is kind of an upgrade from the very strange voice that was on the other one. But I don't think you could do much better than the Nulaxy FM transmitters. There's a whole line of them on Amazon that you can get. But check it out. Check out the Not Nerd podcast. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments. I'd be happy to answer anything that I can. And thanks for watching.